Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to change a BMW X4 battery. First, prioritize safety by wearing protective gear like safety glasses and gloves. Always ensure your vehicle is completely off and the parking brake is firmly engaged before you begin. We'll start by disconnecting the negative terminal, which is crucial to prevent any accidental electrical shorts during the process. This initial step sets the stage for a safe and successful battery replacement. Now let's find that battery. In most BMW X4 models, you'll find the battery conveniently located in the trunk, often beneath the floor panel. Carefully remove any covers or panels to expose the battery. Once visible, use a 10mm wrench to loosen the negative terminal clamp, then the positive. After disconnecting, unfasten any hold-down straps or clamps securing the battery in its tray. This prepares it for removal. With the old battery out, it's time for the new one. Before placing it, take a moment to clean the battery tray and terminals to ensure good contact. Carefully position the new battery in the tray, making sure it's seated securely. Fasten any hold-down clamps or straps to prevent movement. Now, connect the positive terminal first, followed by the negative terminal. Ensure all connections are tight and secure for optimal performance. You're almost done. Once the new battery is installed and secured, carefully reinstall all the trunk panels and covers you removed earlier. Double-check that everything is properly aligned and fastened. Now, start your BMW X4's engine to confirm the new battery is functioning correctly. You might need to reset some vehicle electronics, like the clock or radio presets, which is a normal part of the process. Great job!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.